Blaze a new trail of adventure in your Toyota Tacoma pickup with your newly installed custom-fit UltraFlex neoprene seat covers. Known for its elasticity and comfort, our neoprene seat covers are not only soft and stretchy, but they are also durably constructed, precision cut, and tailored for a perfectly snug fit. More and more people are choosing neoprene seat covers. Built with layers of insulating properties, our seat covers will match your Tacoma's toughness, providing the interior with unbeatable protection. Neoprene material is breathable, waterproof, and UV protected to block the sun's rays, preserving the look of your new seat covers. Plus, our neoprene seat covers mold seamlessly to every inch of your seat. The front seat covers feature special stitching for safe airbag deployment, and the backside of the seats are equipped with handy slip pockets. The innovative design makes installation easy, and our rear split seat design allows for the use of all the vehicle's seat controls, offering flexibility and peace of mind. Personalize your ride and maintain Tacoma toughness with the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom-fit neoprene seat covers.